Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. In this video, we are going to see how to install SQL Server on our system. In our previous video, we have discussed about what is database and what is the difference between DBMS and RDBMS. Let's start with the today's session. Open your Chrome browser and type SQL Server download. The very first link which we are going to get is Microsoft SQL Server downloads. I am going to click on that one only. And once we click on that link, right, just scroll down and you can see two options. One is my developer and other is my express edition. So developer edition is licensable edition where you need to pay for it. We are in the learning phase. We can go ahead and download the express edition. Once you click on download now, you will get a installation file for the express edition, right? Okay, I have already downloaded the express edition, so I'm just double clicking on it and then click on OK. So it start installing. The very first prompt which we are getting is select the installation type. So which type of edition you want to download. I'm going with the basic version. If you want, you can customize, or else you can go with the third download media as well. But I'm going with the basic installation method and accept the privacy terms and services. The third prompt we are getting is to select the folder where we need to install this express edition. I'm clicking on the browse and I'm going to move it in the data folder. New. Okay. Install. So ideally it will take some time to download and install the packages for our express edition in the backend. The speed of the file download is completely depend on the internet connections and also your system space availability. Let it download. We'll wait for some time to get the download completed. So now our express edition is successfully installed. After this, we have to do some installation again to make the interaction with our express edition and to write our query, right? So you can see there is an option called connect now, customize, install SSMS and close. So this connect now, if we click, it will not work because we need to install the SSMS, which is my SQL Server Management Studio, so that we can able to connect this express edition along with SSMS to write query and work on the database, or to create, edit, amend, or do whatever the requirement we need. So for that, what we have to do is click on install SSMS. If you have already installed SSMS, well and good, you can click on connect now. But if you don't have, so we have to click on install SSMS. I'm clicking on, once we click on install SSMS, it will redirect to Microsoft page again to download the SSMS. In this particular article, if you see, either you can click on this first link to download the SQL server, or else you can click on this one as well to start downloading. Since I have already downloaded, I'm not going to download it again. Double click on the SSMS setup file. Change the location to the same folder. I'm creating a new folder. And click on install. This installation also will take some time. We have to wait till the complete installations will get successfully completed. Now our setup for SSMS is completely done. Now we can close this prompt. Let's go back to our Express edition. Click on connect now. It says one row is affected, which means our connection is working fine. There is no issue with the connections. Hope you have understood this video, how to install SQL Server on our system. If you have any doubt in this video, please reach out to us. We'll happy to assist you in all the time. And also we have provided the download link for SSMS and also the Express edition of the server in our description box. You can go ahead and click to download it. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from us. Thank you. Have a great day.